Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can instantly join into other servers on Just to Impress. So you used to have to go into a lobby first or into a game to go to servers if you're on the runway. But now you can actually just go to the server section up here and select join into any server that you want. That is it pretty much for this video. It is super simple. I'm just trying to show you guys how. The free play is still the same layout. It has not been updated yet. But that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!